Add Petkit Pura Max Troubleshooting, quick fixes, and common issues. To troubleshoot Petkit Pura Max, first check the power connection and ensure it's securely plugged in. Next, reset the device by holding the reset button for 10 seconds. Petkit Pura Max is a smart litter box designed for cat owners seeking convenience and cleanliness. Its advanced features include automatic cleaning, odor control, and real-time monitoring through a dedicated app. Despite its high-tech design, users may occasionally encounter issues. Common problems include power failures, connectivity issues, and sensor malfunctions. Quick troubleshooting can often resolve these problems. Ensuring a stable power connection and performing a device reset are effective first steps. Regular maintenance and firmware updates also help in keeping the device functioning optimally. This guide aims to assist Petkit Pura Max users in addressing common issues efficiently. Petkit Pura Max power issues. Having trouble with your Petkit Pura Max? Power issues are common but fixable. This guide will help you resolve them easily. 1. Device not turning on. 2. Petkit Pura Max connectivity problems. Having connectivity problems with your Petkit Pura Max can be frustrating. These issues can prevent your device from working smoothly. Let's explore some common connectivity problems and how to fix them. 1. Wi-Fi connection errors. 2. App syncing issues. Petkit Pura Max sensor malfunctions. The Petkit Pura Max is an excellent automatic litter box. It uses sensors to ensure smooth operation, but sometimes these sensors can malfunction. This can cause various issues. Below, we discuss common sensor problems and how to fix them. 1. Incorrect weight readings. 2. Sensor not responding. Petkit Pura Max cleaning and maintenance. Keeping your Petkit Pura Max clean is essential for its longevity. Proper maintenance ensures the device functions efficiently. This guide will help you understand how to clean and replace parts of your Petkit Pura Max. 1. Cleaning the device. 2. Replacing parts. Petkit Pura Max error codes. Encountering error codes on your Petkit Pura Max can be frustrating. Error codes help identify specific issues, making troubleshooting easier. This section will guide you through common error codes and how to reset your device. 1. Common error codes. 2. Resetting the device. Petkit Pura Max litter box issues. The Petkit Pura Max is a smart litter box designed for convenience, but sometimes you may face issues. Common issues include litter not dispensing and litter box overflows. Let's look at these problems and how to fix them. 1. Litter not dispensing. 2. Litter box overflows. Petkit Pura Max customer support. Experiencing issues with your Petkit Pura Max can be frustrating. Thankfully, Petkit offers reliable customer support to help resolve your problems quickly. This section covers essential information on how to get the support you need. 1. Contacting support. 2. Warranty information. Frequently asked questions about Petkit Pura Max. How do I reset Petkit Pura Max? To reset Petkit Pura Max, press and hold the reset button for 10 seconds. Why is Petkit Pura Max not working? Check the power connection, ensure the unit is plugged in, and verify the power outlet is functional. How to clean Petkit Pura Max? Remove the litter tray, wash it with mild soap and water, and let it dry completely before reassembling. Can I use any litter with Pura Max? Petkit Pura Max is compatible with most clumping litters. Avoid using crystal or non-clumping litters. Why is Pura Max making noise? Noise usually indicates a blockage. Inspect the unit for obstructions and ensure all parts are correctly assembled. Conclusion about Petkit Pura Max. Troubleshooting your Petkit Pura Max can be simple with the right steps. Follow our guide for effective solutions. Ensure your device functions smoothly and keeps your pet happy. Regular maintenance can prevent issues and extend the lifespan of your Petkit Pura Max. If problems persist, contact customer support for further assistance. Let me know if you need.
If you want to know more details, then you can visit HelloTroubleshooting.com.